Let's talk about some of the earnings that we saw. Lots of big movements. One of the biggest, most impressive came out of Snowflake. Big step up in growth rates. I think it was up about 20% the day after. So what was driving this? Is this narrative? Is this reality? What are we seeing in the revenue mix that's resulting in this sort of enthusiasm?
So for Snowflake, what we saw is they were up 20% the day after earnings. It was on a massive revenue beat. Their product revenue accelerated from 26% to 32%. They took their full year guidance up. Austin, the bottom line is we've talked about, the fact that the companies that can see this acceleration from having true growth from AI products are going to receive premium multiples from the market. That's definitely playing out with Snowflake. I think what we are seeing a little bit is the platforms are seeing some of this growth first. The actual applications are a little slower. Let's talk about Credo. Austin, some of the most eye-popping earnings numbers you'll ever see. I had to write them down. Revenue up 274% from last year. Net income up 755%. Their guidance for next quarter at a midpoint of $235 million. Wall Street was expecting $199 million. We are recording this before the market opens on Thursday, September 4th. It's up 13% last I looked. The only reason it's not up more, Austin, is because it's, again, like NVIDIA, it's been running
It's
up.
already been ripping. It's already ripped so much.
So, again, I talked about this NVIDIA networking segment in part because it is having such dramatic impacts across a broader space. We saw Arista Networks, which is a key networking company. We saw them blow out earnings. We saw Astera Labs, which is another high growth networking stock. They blew out earnings. So Austin, it is just this Blackwell cycle. It led to, as people were kind of getting a little overly excited for it, not realizing that, you had this ramping in process. They sold off a lot of these stocks at the beginning of the year. And now that the actual reality of this Blackwell refresh happens, they're seeing the growth rates, and it's led to these stocks being significant winners.